Have you ever wondered how bees, these tiny creatures, have such a complex and organized way of living? Welcome to a journey into the intriguing world of bees, a world where size is deceptive and a buzzing insect plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. These miniature marvels are not just honey producers, they are the unsung heroes of biodiversity, working tirelessly to pollinate our plants and crops. We often take for granted the harmonious hum of bees in our gardens, unaware of the intricate society that thrives within their hives. From queens and workers to drones, each bee has a role to play, a purpose to fulfill. Their life, though short, is filled with tasks and adventures that resonate with the rhythm of nature. In this video, we will explore the life and features of bees, uncovering the secrets of their fascinating existence. So tighten your seatbelts. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of bees and their extraordinary lives. Did you know that bees live in highly structured societies, not unlike our own? It's true. The social structure of bees is a fascinating study in organization, efficiency, and collective effort. At the heart of this society is the queen bee. She's the single reigning monarch, the mother of the entire hive. Her primary role? To lay eggs. Lots of them. In fact, a queen in her prime can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day. Talk about a full-time job. But she doesn't do it alone. A retinue of worker bees tends to her every need, feeding her, grooming her, and distributing her pheromones throughout the hive to maintain social order. Speaking of worker bees, they're the backbone of the bee society, the tireless labor force. They're all females, and their roles are many and varied. From cleaning and maintaining the hive, to foraging for food, caring for the young, and even defending the hive from intruders, worker bees truly live up to their name. They're the multitaskers, the doers, the unsung heroes of the hive. Last but not least, we have the drones. These are the males of the hive, and they have just one job: to mate with a new queen. It might sound like an easy gig, but consider this. Once a drone has fulfilled his duty, his life is over. It's a brief, albeit important existence, ensuring the continuation of the hive's genetic line. The intricacies of bee society go beyond these individual roles. It's a system where every member knows its job and does it without question. A system where the collective good outweighs individual needs. A system where the survival of the many depends on the coordinated efforts of each individual. And so, as we delve deeper into the world of bees, it's crucial to appreciate the profound complexity of their social structure. From the queen, to the workers, to the drones, each bee plays a vital role, working together to ensure the survival and prosperity of their hive. From egg to buzzing adult, the life cycle of a bee is a fascinating journey. Let's dive deeper into the 4 distinct stages that each bee goes through in its lifetime: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. First, we start with the egg. Laid by the queen of the hive, each tiny cylindrical egg is placed carefully in a wax cell within the hive. Depending on the type of bee it will become, worker, drone, or a new queen, the egg will be placed in a corresponding cell. A worker bee's egg, for example, is laid in a smaller cell compared to a drone or queen bee's egg. After 3 to 4 days, the egg hatches into a larva. This stage is all about growth. The larva, which is essentially a tiny white grub, has a voracious appetite. It's constantly fed by the worker bees with a mixture of pollen and nectar known as bee bread, or with royal jelly for potential queens. Within just 6 days, a larva can grow nearly triple its size. Once the larva has reached its maximum size, it moves on to the pupa stage. This is where the magic of metamorphosis occurs. The larva spins a silky cocoon around itself, and within this protective shield, it begins to transform. Its body reshapes to take on the familiar form of an adult bee, developing wings, legs, and antennae. This is a critical stage, and it can take anywhere from 12 to 20 days, depending on the type of bee. Finally, the adult bee emerges, ready to take on its role in the hive. Worker bees, which are all female, will go about their many duties, from gathering nectar to tending to the queen. Male drones, on the other hand, have one main role: to mate with a new queen. And the queen? Her job is to lay eggs and ensure the survival of the hive. This intricate life cycle ensures the continuity and survival of these remarkable insects. From the queen's careful laying of each egg to the miraculous transformation within the pupa, every stage of a bee's life is a testament to the wonders of nature. Bees are not just any ordinary insect, they possess some unique and remarkable features. Let's delve into some of these fascinating characteristics. First up, we have the waggle dance, a term that may sound amusing, but is in fact a serious mode of communication among bees. When a worker bee discovers a new source of food, it returns to the hive and performs this peculiar dance. The direction and duration of the dance provide precise information to the other bees about the location and distance of the food source. Next, we marvel at their exceptional navigation skills. Bees can fly several miles to gather food and return to their hive, a tiny spot in a vast landscape with unerring accuracy. They utilize the position of the sun, polarized light patterns, and landmarks to navigate, demonstrating a sense of direction that could put many of us humans to shame. And of course, we can't discuss bees without mentioning their vital role in pollination. Bees visit flowers to collect nectar and pollen for food, and in the process they transfer pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This enables fertilization and the production of fruits and seeds. These features not only make bees fascinating, but also crucial to our planet's ecosystem. Today we've uncovered some amazing facts about the life and features of bees. We've delved into the intricate society of bees, discovering a world of queens, workers, and drones. We've journeyed through the fascinating life cycle of these buzzing beings from egg to adult. And we've marveled at their unique features, including their ability to communicate through dance and their exceptional navigational skills. Remember, these tiny creatures play a massive role in our world, and understanding them is the first step in ensuring their survival.